Dillon has its very own bowling alley called Elevation Bowl. Make sure you come and check it out. It looks like they just remodeled everything. They serve beverages and food. They've got arcade games back there as well. So make sure to check it out, whether you're looking to kill some time or it's not great weather outside. Stop on by.
And don't forget, after bowling, to come up to Cameez. Come for some frozen yogurt. They've got crepes and smoothies and hot dogs. Lots of little snacks. And one little fun fact, I know the real Cameez. Don't tell.
So at the Dillon Marina, there is also a junior yacht club, which Allie's girls have been a part of for many, many years. And then a little bit further down the beach, you can rent stand-up paddleboards and kayaks, and that is a lot of fun as well, especially in this cove where it's so nice and calm.
When people say, I want to be on Lake Dillon, this is it. These are the places. Some of the complexes to look out for are Lake Cliff, Marina Place, Lodge at Lake Dillon,
Coeur de Lac.
We have Yacht Club, East Bay, there's Anchorage West, Anchorage on the Lake, and just plain old Anchorage.
Lake Dillon is so picturesque, and I think one of the prettiest places you could have a wedding is up at the Dillon Pavilion. Great place for weddings and parties and you name it. We're coming around here now to the amphitheater, which has been redone. It's gorgeous and recently was voted one of the very best places to see an outdoor concert. And it's pretty special. We're looking at it from the lakeside, and you can see up there, it's a brand new facility and it's just gorgeous.
And this summer they've got such a great lineup of artists coming to the amphitheater. It's so exciting.
Check out our website for all the details.
chatted about the Snake River Inlet. Well, this is from the other side. We have Summit Cove behind us, the Continental Divide, and then the Marina and Dillon are right behind us.